Okay, guys, we got a Toyota Sienna in the house. AC works according to the customer, but it's not cold. It's not cold on a hot sunny day, and it's not cold when the sun is up. When the sun goes down, or in the morning is cold. So, find the issue. We know the issue. So, if you guys have an issue similar to this, okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook up this AC machine. So what I did was I turned the AC on, the compressor engages. I felt the low side pipe is not cold enough, so definitely it doesn't have enough cooling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook up this machine and then we'll check the gauges. Okay, so we connected the low side and the high side. The valves are open, and we got a reading with the engine off, 100 and almost. Okay, so but we need to start the engine to see the correct reading and put the AC on. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go inside the vehicle. We got the fan running, AC compressor just clicked. We got the AC on, circulation inside it. It's on max cold. So let's go look at our numbers. Okay, so this is a dual system, and I'm not liking the pressure here. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, we're gonna recharge the system. So it is kind of okay, but it's not gonna give you enough cooling. Okay, this is a dual system. I'm sorry, it's not a. I'm not sure if it's a dual system. Okay, I believe so. Yup. Okay, it's a single system. I believe so. Anyways, we do have the amount of freon that it should pull out. Let's look for that sticker. It's got to be somewhere here. Okay, what we're gonna do is while I look for the sticker. Okay, here it is. Okay, so it's supposed to have 1.9 pounds. Minimum 1.65. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off the engine, and as a mechanic, I know this thing is not cooling enough because it doesn't have enough freon in the system. System does kick in. It could be a faulty AC compressor, but before anything, what you want to do is we're gonna recover. Okay, I did like the pressure a little bit, but it should have been a little bit more. So, but like I said, it could be hot air in the system. It could be air in the system. So we're gonna recover to see if we get 1 point. What was it? If we get 1 point, almost 2 pounds of maximum. Okay. So let's see what we get. So we're gonna give it a good 5 minutes for the machine to clear out everything and recover everything, and then it will give us the pounds that it pulled out of the system. So clearly, this will be your fault if your AC is working, but it's not making enough cold air, especially when the sun is out, because it can't keep up. Okay, it's not gonna give you enough cooling. Okay, so we recovered a 1 pound. Okay, only 1 pound. It's supposed to be close to 2 pounds. So it's not gonna work properly. It's not gonna cool properly. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna vacuum the system. We're gonna vacuum the system. You will see a lot of videos on my channel about vacuuming. You always gotta vacuum 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes is good enough of time. A lot of people, they buy a can, they jam in that can, but like they say, is the cup half full or half empty? You don't know. You don't know what you. A lot of people tell me, oh, just because you have a leak doesn't mean air gets in there. So that thing has to be sucked down. You know, it has to be, the pipes has to be collapsed down. If there's no air in it, there is something in there. Okay. Anyway, guys, this works beautiful, and we're gonna recharge the system. After that, it should be ice cold. And I do have my oil ready. I'm gonna put in about 3 teaspoons. That's what I'm seeing that it pulled out in there, and we'll pump that in. Okay, so our vacuum is also completed, and after that, I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna inject some oil into the low side, so you can check out my videos. I do have videos doing it complete, but these are just small steps and processes. So I'm gonna take this oil, I'm gonna compress this in, and it's gonna shoot in the oil next. So we finished putting oil into the system, and what we're gonna do next is we're gonna charge the system. Enter. Nope. We're gonna continue. We're gonna go to 2009. Let's look for Toyota Sienna. Okay, Toyota, where are you, Toyota? There you go. Let's look for Sienna. Okay, 1.72. Okay, so what we want to do here is we're gonna press continue. I'm gonna put complete 1 point. What did it say here? 1.91 pounds. Okay, so 1.91. So we're gonna put the Zac mount. Press OK. We're gonna charge it from both lines. So we're gonna select both lines. Enter. Start. And it's gonna start to shoot Freon into the refrigeration into the system. And it should read how much it put into the system. Usually do it by can. It's not going to be accurate, and it might start to work, and then it might circulate hot and cold, hot and cold. That could be one of the issues. So doing this, your AC should work really good afterwards. And what we're going to do is we're going to crank up the car after this, and we're going to see what kind of pressure we got here on a Toyota Sienna. This is a 2009 Toyota Sienna, so it's almost done. So let's wait for it. Okay. The pressure has gone pretty high. There you go. We're done. And just like that, we're going to leave it just like that. What we're going to do is we're going to start up this car. Put the AC on. Okay. And what we're going to do here is let's check the pressure now. Look at the pressure reading now. I did like it at 30, but this has a bigger system. So if you have a Toyota Sienna, it's taking about 2 pounds. This is what the pressure should look like. Good reading, okay? And the line down here, the lower side line here, nice and cold. It had frosting on it. Perfect. Love it. AC should be nice and cold. Let me feel it inside. Let's feel this baby on the inside. Oh yeah, big difference. Big freaking difference, okay guys? Big freaking difference. Anyways, right now my fingers, if you hold up your fingers like this, they should numb up. The tips should numb up, okay? That's how you're gonna know you have a good AC system, good working AC system. Anyway guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.